Hey guys, and welcome to another video with Ulrich. I've been getting a lot of requests on how to add products and create collection on your Shopify store. So in this video, I'm just going to show you how to do that. So I'll also show you how to organize your menu, how to organize your collections, and put your products in a proper order. So stay tuned, and then I'll walk you through. Okay, now we are on our PC. As you can see, we are going to add products, create collection, and add our collections to our menu item. So the very first thing you need to do is you need to log into your Shopify account. And once you log in, you'll be prompted to this specific screen. And once you're in this specific screen, you need to come down to products, click on products, and all these menu items will basically collapse, and you will have all your products, right? So the reason why I do have products here is because I've added products before. So that's why I've got products, but for illustration purpose, I'm going to show you how to add a product. So you come here and click on add product, and I'll name my product here brown shoes. Description, I can put a description, always is essential, but I'm not going to spend time here to put the description. I'll add this shoes. I'll add another shoes. So basically, what you need to do is you need to add a product, like you need to add many images of the same product with different angle. So let's say you sell a mouse, right? So you need to show different angle. You need to take a picture of different angles of your mouse, or you can get the pictures from the vendor site. I'll show you another example. So you can take the bottom, the front, all sides. Okay, a typical example of many image styles will be this. So you can see there's a image of an open fridge, a fridge with the drinks, and all these details. So that's why this area is for, is to insert as many images as possible, but don't stuff it so much. I would say 5 images is okay. But the reason why I've put this image here, 2 different images, is because I'm just using it for illustration purposes, just to show you that you need to put more images here. Price point, I'll go for 120, for example, and compare price 150. And cost per item, on the cost per item, I don't have to put the cost per item. It's not a mandatory thing. However, I can put the cost per item is just to remind myself how much I bought the item and how much profit I made on this item after advertisement. But it's not a big deal. Charge tax, I can uncheck this area because there's something with VAT in the UK. If your business start making over £80,000, you need to start charging VAT for every item you sell. But if your business makes less than £80,000 a year, you don't need to charge VAT. I don't know about which country you are on how the law applies there, but you need to find out, or you need to speak to your taxman. You know what? Speak to your accountant. He's going to tell you more. So I assume you're a new business and you don't need to tick this box, and that's why I am unchecking. But if you're already making more than 80K, you need to check that. So crack quantity, great. SKU, stock keeping unit, you can keep, yes, you can put that here. You can write it there if you want. Barcode, you can also write there if you want, but it's not mandatory. But the quantity is imperative, that you know how much items you've got in store so that you don't get caught off guard. Yeah, because if you don't know how many items, how are you going to know if the product has run out? Available, yes, 150. This is a physical product. If it was a digital product, you would have unchecked this product, and a lot of details here wouldn't really make sense, like the quantity. Weight, put the weight. I'll just put this 2 pounds. Select country of origin. I'll put Belgium. So the variance here, You can have a variance if you have products of different sizes, product of different colors. You can't do that. You can't have a variance. But I'm not going to stress about the variance because this product, I've only got one type of product. So, but you can add like things like color, talk about it more here, and so on, right? So I'm going to uncheck this. So, this is also great to add a product this way. And after that, you need to save your work. Always remember to save your work. If you don't save your work, you're not going to be able to find, you're not going to be able to have it. So now we've added our product, and this is the very first step. So if you've done this step, congratulations, and I really thank you for that. Now let's move on to the next step, which is to create a collection. Basically, like you having collections is a way of organizing your products or items in a very specific group or category. Collection are really, really important, and I'll also show you why collection is even more important when you want to integrate it into your website. So I'll give you an example. At the moment, here you see feature collection, and there's 4 items per row, right? This is just the dummies examples. These are not real. And you can see more of those examples down here. So if you don't have a collection, you won't be able to insert anything here. You will not be able to insert anything here. So always make sure that you've got a collection. It will help you a lot because you have to insert those collections somewhere here. Now let's head back into our business and create a collection now. So click on collections. By default, you have, because I've already added collections in the past and I've deleted them. So by default, you have the home collection there, but you need to delete that and come down here and create a new collection. So click here on create, yeah. And down here, I'll name my collection garden furniture. I've already got some, because I created collections in the past, it automatically populate, but you will have to type it manually. Collection type, you can either go for manual or automated collection. Okay, I'll tell you the difference. Manual collection is basically is a pretty lengthy process to manually add all your products into your website. To create a collection manually is pretty lengthy and tedious, and it's not very recommended. I wouldn't recommend it. That's how I used to do. I used to add all of my products manually, and I think it's just not great to add all your product manually. So the best way to add your products is to do it automatically. So through the automated way. So we'll stick to the automated way down here. And I'm going to add my products by tag, right? So product tag equal to, and I'll put here, my product tag will be garden. Garden. So any products that's got the word, any product that's got the word garden is going to be automatically added into this collection. But then it's not just going to happen like that. I need to actually add it, and then it will automatically populate. But I will show you how to do that. You can add another collection down here if you want to. So add another condition, sorry, here if you want to. I'm sorry. You can do that, but I'm not going to add another condition. I'm just going to leave it to garden for now. And products must match all conditions. You can put any if you want, but I will stick to all conditions. And once I've done that, I need to click on save. So it's now been saved. I need to head back into my products. And here are my products, right? So these are the products I've had before. And I will just look at every single items that's got the word garden in them. So I'll just stick to the ones that's got the word garden in them. So this one has got garden in them. Okay, so these are the items that's got the word garden in them. I need to go now to more actions and click on add tags. And on tags, I will just add garden. Okay, so I have now added my tag with the word garden, and I need to head back into my collections and click on garden furniture. Okay, as you can see, these are all the items with the word garden in them, right? So the kettle, the rattan, blah blah blah, and so on. So you can see that's all the products with the word garden. And I'm going to create another collection now. So let's go back to collection and click on create. And this collection is going to be called glasses. Yeah, I'm going to call that PC glasses. And the description, again, you can put that if you want to. And I'm going to name this one glasses. So that's called glasses, and I will now save it. I head back to my products. So these are my products. I will now select everything that's got the word glasses in them. I've got these 3 images that's got the word glasses, and I don't think there's any other images. And more action, add tag. And the tags are going to be glasses. And just click on save. Okay, so now, so everything has now been saved. I need to head back again into collections and click on glasses. So as you can see, here are the 3 images that they automatically populated into my collection because they all got the word glasses in them. So guys, that's how you create a product and a collection on your Shopify account. So the third thing I need to do now, I need to integrate those collections into my website. So as you can see, they look blank, they look not pretty, they're not pretty, right? So they need images. I'll now go to my website. So click on online. So online store, customize. And on customize, you can see here, there's feature collection. I can name this collection. By default, it will say feature collection, but I can name that outdoor equipments. Yeah, outdoor equipments, and then I'll just select the collection. Remember the collections that we created earlier, garden furniture, and I'll just select it. So as you can see, it's automatically populated all the items that we've added into our collection. So now I can also decide how many products I want to have, how many rows I want to have. All of these things can be decided by me, but I'll just go back to the other collection. Is called PC glasses. I named it before, but I can name it computer glasses, right? And select the collection. Is going to be PC glasses. So as you can see, it automatically populates, and this specific collection's got 3. So it's got 3 products per row, and it's got 2 rows. Guys, that's how you integrate products, you know. Okay, so Guys, that's how you integrate your collections into your website, and that's also how you integrate products. Here on the gallery site, you can go to gallery here and you can add, any image. Really select anything you want to add. You can just select that. If you want to put more stuff, you put more, but I'm not going to spend time to do that. You know what to do. I mean, you know where to go if you need to do it. So that's how you do it. And the last step and very important thing I want to show you is how to add your collections into your menu item. It's very crucial that your products are very visible. Your collections are visible to your customer or your prospect, because you don't want somebody, if they're looking for a product, to go through the catalog or to go through the whole website searching for a product. By the time they get to the very end, they might lose their enthusiasm about buying your product. So you want to have everything organized, so I'm going to show you, I'm just going to show you how to put your collection into your menu item. So we go back into our Shopify backend and click on online store. So we are here on online store. We need to click on navigation. So as you can see, we do have two menus. We have a footer. A footer is anything that's under your website. That's called a footer. A main menu, which is the top one, is any menu items that's on the top, right? So that's called the main. As you can see here, let's just go, I'll show you. So as you can see, let's reload that. So as you can see here, we have a row home and then we have a FAQ. These are the two items we have on our menu. So we have a home, we have an FAQ, but I'm going to add more. So now main, I'll just click on main. And as you can see, I can add more menu here. So I will just name this garden furniture. I've already had it here. And then I'll just go to collections and click on garden furniture. I'm basically integrating my collection into that specific menu. And I add another menu. I'll call that glasses, and come here to collections and click on PC glasses. So as you can see, there's glasses, PC glasses, and then I just click on add. Don't forget to save your work. Please always remember to save your work. If you don't save it, you won't have it populated, and you'll be wondering why my work is not populated. So now that I've added that, I need to reload my page and it will populate. So as you can see, now I have home, garden furniture, glasses. Okay, now it's not in order. I need to rearrange, and I want to have my FAQ at the end and my other menu items. So let's have, okay, so now we have our home, garden, glasses, and FAQ, because the FAQ is basically the frequently asked questions. So you don't want your FAQ to be the second thing. I mean, that's my opinion. You can have it how you want, but I like to have my FAQ here at the end. So that's the FAQ. That's all the items I've added, and the website is ready to go. So guys, thank you very much. That was all about how to create a product, a collection, add your collection to your menu item. And wait, if you've done all of that, congratulations, you have done really well. Okay, so now here's my offer. If you want to build a website, I'll do all the heavy lifting for you. Whether you want to build a website for service-based business or an e-commerce business like this one, right? I can build your website like this. Yes, I can do that. I can build your website. Just get in touch with me. I'll leave a link of my calendar down below, so you can actually submit your credentials there, so we can have a 15 minutes discovery call. We talk about your business and what you really want to do. I'll listen to your needs and we'll see how we can work together. Also, one last thing, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this content. I really want you to support me with growing my subscriber base. Please share this content if you found it instrumental. Like it, and also comment in the section down below if you have any questions. And I'll speak to you later. Take care. Bye.